Welcome to Inclusive Practices for Names and Pronouns in Academic Contexts by the Gender and Sexuality Center for Queer and Trans Life. This session is intended for University of Minnesota faculty members and instructors. In this session, participants will receive an overview of gender identity, gender expression, and their significance for higher education contexts. We will share introductory strategies and resources for integrating preferred names and gender pronouns into daily practice in the classroom. Context and historical significance for the proposed gender equity and access policy will also be provided. And here are the learning objectives. Participants will gain a better understanding of the need and purpose of the gender equity and access policy. Participants will be able to better understand and identify dimensions of gender identity and expression. Participants will gain awareness of gender-specific and gender-neutral pronouns. Participants will gain an understanding of why an individual's name and pronouns are important and how to honor them. Participants will explore their role related to preferred name and pronoun use in an academic context. And lastly, participants will identify an accountability process for moving through mistakes regarding names and pronouns. And here is an overview of our agenda for today's session. We have the key questions, the University of Minnesota context, gender identity and gender expression, pronouns and preferred name context, setting the tone for gender expansive culture, and last but not least, resources. This session is intended to provide an introduction to concepts and practices that were submitted by university community members over 18 months of consultation. And the key questions include, what is gender equity and access policy? What are gender identity and gender expression? What are gender pronouns? Why are name and pronouns important? What is my role related to preferred name and pronoun use? And how do I move through mistakes?